And welcome back to my channel. I felt like that was very loud. Was I loud? You guys, if you are new to this channel, I go by RishaaMariee, and if you are not new here, welcome back. I appreciate you for always coming back because you show up and you show out. In today's video, obviously you can tell by how luxurious my curls are looking. No, I'm playing with you. That it is a natural hair video for sure. Basically, a lot of times with wash and goes, it's almost like we want to just rewash our hair and do it again, but you can refresh a wash and go and get it to look good, you know. I do it particularly when I haven't used a gel. Like if I just use some type of cream or something like that straight on my hair, I'll go ahead and refresh like 3-4 days later so it can stretch out another 4-5 days and make it work. So what I'm gonna do in today's video is show you guys. This is like a day old now. I kind of did my intro a little late, so y'all gotta forgive me, but I'm gonna show you guys how I refresh my wash and go to get my curls back alive. As you can see, they are here. And actually in this video, it's a little surprise to me too. This is a different product that I wouldn't normally use in my hair at all for a refresh or for a wash and go at all for that matter. I ended up using, so you guys can check that out. But make sure you guys are subscribed and you hit this like button and make sure you tune in and everything, and I will catch you guys at the end because I'm gonna film the outro too, because I forgot to do all that. I just did the work. I didn't do nothing. I don't know. I'm tripping. This is my wash and go. It's about 3 days old. It don't look horrible, but I can tell it's finna like get real frizzy. Like you can even see in some of these areas, it's just frizz. So I'm gonna show y'all, like I said already, how I refresh it. So rule 1, you gotta test your products. So I'm gonna use what's already in my head, which is the Curl La La Curl Custard. I'm gonna put a little, I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand, right? And then the gel that I wanna use, I'm gonna put a little bit of that on my hand. So, I don't know how well y'all can see that, but that's the gel, and that's the custard. I'm just gonna like mix it in my hands to see how it mixes first. I'm trying to see if these, because I don't know if y'all see like the little balls that's coming up, if they're going to dissolve or stay. So, okay, it dissolves. Wait, oh no, it's not mixing. Hold up, I don't know. I think I can make this work because you kind of want to see. It's actually not doing too bad. Now it is crumbing up. I wanted to use that. Okay, let me try another gel. Hold on. All right, y'all. I grabbed 2 more gels just to test. And you want to do this before you put it on your entire head, because if you do that, then you're gonna have to wash it out. So basically, you want to mix your product and your gel together to see if it crumbs or if it kind of mixes well. Okay, y'all, this ain't a good mix either. You see what it's doing on my hands? These crumbs that are appearing when I mix the 2 products. That basically means they won't work well together. Oh crap. I'm running out of gels. Why ain't this mixing with nothing? Let's try. Okay, I'm gonna try this one. Let me make sure I get all this off of my hands.
So y'all, basically this is when I realized that I messed up. I just fast forwarded through this clip of me trying all these different gels mixing in with the product. So basically what you gotta do is take whatever product is in your hair and take a little bit of the gel or whatever you're trying to refresh your wash and go with and rub it together in your hands. That will replicate what it will do in your head. So if it comes up with flakes, if it comes up looking bally or little pieces of almost lint, it looks like, then you know it's not gonna mix well. And pretty much is what I was going through right here. And at this point I almost wanted to cry because I was like, this video ain't working out.
Y'all, I done went through about 6 gels and none of them are mixing well with this, so this video is already starting off really bad. But if y'all can see this, look, this is how you want it to look if it blends well. And I didn't use a gel. I tried a foam. I was like, let me just try my tropical root foam and let me see if that blends with it. So that's what I'm going to be refreshing my wash and go with today, is a foam. And I normally never do a wash and go with the foam, but none of my gels are working, which is what I would typically go to. So you gotta do what you gotta do, because I'm not gonna wash my hair yet and I want it to look a little bit more tamed and last me a little bit longer, because this is about 3 days old. So we gonna get in here and we gonna do this wash and go together for the first time with a gel, with a foam. So oh lordy. So what I always do, I'm gonna do it typically like I would if I was using a gel. I go ahead and I separate my hair, and I pretty much do it like I'm doing my wash and go, but I try to switch up a few things. So I just separate it into the sections like I normally would, like this. And then here go this section. Mind y'all, so y'all gonna really be seeing like something for the first time with me. So my hair is still soft, it's still moisturized because of that product that I pulled on. Like y'all even still see some of my curls. It's just I want more holding power and I want it to last a little bit longer. It's already starting to get fuzzy. So I'm just gonna spray it down with warm water. I do warm just to open up my cuticles a little bit more. And this is also the reason why we have to make sure that it blends with whatever's already on my head, because this water is gonna reactivate whatever in my hair already. So you gotta make sure whatever you're finna refresh with, if it's not the same product, you got to make sure it blends with whatever already in your hair. So I'm not adding any more moisturizing products. I'm not adding that custard to it again. I'm just, whatever's already on it, that's gonna be it. And I'm just raking through my hair right now, feeling it. It's so soft still, like that product is bomb, but the holding power, you know, you need a gel or something. That's why I'm still a little worried about putting this foam in my hair. So that's about as much water as I'm gonna put in. I'm not gonna do too much. I'm gonna go in with my wide tooth. And I'm gonna go in with the fine tooth. Make sure it's nicely detangled. Okay. Now at this point, if you were refreshing your wash and go and it felt dry and brittle, you would probably just have to redo your wash and go. But because mine still, because mine still feels moisturized, I don't have to do all that. So, y'all pray for me. I'm going in with foam. I just put 3 pumps in my hand. And, oh, this feels so weird. Honey. Okay. And I'm a shingle. And I'm gonna add like a little bit, like 2 more pumps to each section. And here we go.
it too early. Those the first that lets me know you be my girl. Oh, baby. Oh, I swear I'll never leave you. Will not have to do you. By your side, I'll show you the way a girl needs her. You don't need a lot of money. I'm ready, come and pick me up. Pick me up. Baby, I know a place that we can go to be alone, yeah. As long as you make sure that you safely get me home.
Alright, y'all, this is my hair fully done. It's like wet. I didn't apply too much water because when you're refreshing, you don't want to have to do all that drying time that you normally have to do. So I didn't apply as much water, and I tried not to put as much on my roots. So you saw I wasn't like dripping wet or anything like that. And I'm just applying the leftovers right here so my part can be a little bit more defined. And yeah, I'm gonna let it dry. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Let me know in the comments below how many of y'all have ever used a foam for your wash and go. Like I'm just team gel. I recently became team no gel, like cream. Like you can do a wash and go with cream. I don't know, like I was a very by the book type natural when it comes to my wash and goes. Like I was you know, leave-in, curl defining cream, gel. That was my wash. But when I used that foam today, and if y'all didn't know, I use this in so many videos. At this point, Tropical Root need to start sending me out some free foam. But I use this on my braids, and I've used this in like flexi ride sets and stuff, but I've never used it on a wash and go. And these results are like so good. I haven't even like picked it and really shaped it like I want to. Like this is just, and it stretches really nicely. So I hope this video helped you in some way. Make sure you guys are subscribed and turn on your notification bell. I'm gonna remind you this every video. I don't care if you get tired of hearing it or not. Turn the notification bell on. It's not gonna annoy you or anything like that. It just tells you like, yo, your girl posted a video, go check it out. I post every Wednesday, so in case you forget, you're gonna get the reminder on your phone anyway. So it works out perfectly. And I will catch you guys next Wednesday.